Here's one more question from Quora. How do I query on the USPTO TESS database to return only trademarks with the exact string I am searching for and not all trademarks that contain the string I am searching? My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory. I've answered hundreds of videos like this on this channel, and I've done thousands of searches on TESS. So I will answer this question in just a moment. But if you're interested in trademarks, in branding, in intellectual property, in entrepreneurship, anything that you think you need an answer to, make sure you post a comment below and I'll do my best to answer your question. And make sure you also subscribe to get notified whenever the next video goes live. And here's how you get the search on USPTO's trademark search database to only return the records that match the name exactly. So first of all, I'm just going to use my own shortcut to get to the USPTO trademark search. So tmf.rocks/USPTO. TMF stands for Trademark Factory. I just use this to get there much faster than by going, Googling and then going through clicks and clicks and clicks on the USPTO website. So it gets me straight to the search. There's two simple ways you can get there, and I'm going to show you both. So you can either do the structured search. So here, word and or design mark search structured. So click there. And let's say you're looking for Apple. Okay. And here where it says field, instead of all, choose full mark. There it is, full mark. And when you search that and you submit query, you're only going to get trademarks that are either Apple or apples, right? So they also do plural, but you won't see anything where Apple is just one word out of several. So that's how you do it. You choose full mark versus all. And another way to do it is to go to freeform right here, word enter design mark search freeform, and there's a whole syntaxes to get what you need. But for example, you could type, let's say, book, right? Book in brackets, and then in square brackets you would type FM. That's for full mark. And then you submit query. And there you go. You only get book and books. You get nothing else, right? So here's book and FM for full mark. And by the way, let's go back to our Apple example. So let's say Apple as a full mark, and then you can have and, let's say class, let's do class 25 for clothing. So IC. So 025 shows class 25, IC shows international class. Let's see if there are any trademarks that say Apple with class 25. So there was one trademark registered, which is now dead, right? You can see who owned it. See, that was Apple trademark that was canceled. Somebody who had nothing to do with Apple computers, right? And now there are two pending applications for Apple as the clothing brand. Let's see. So VKO Farms Limited, they filed it in 2017 with a priority dating back to October of 2016. and there is, let's see, and this one is Apple Pear Apple Corp. And they filed it in December of 2017. So they're trying to get the same mark, and I'm sure there's a lot of fun around that. But this is how you search if you're looking for the full mark. Just add that FM or use the structured search, and from the drop down pick full mark. There's a lot of technicality, there's a lot of subtleties in terms of how you do a proper trademark search. This is just one of dozens little secrets. So if you're not sure how to do it, just go book your call with Trademark Factory advisor, trademarkfactory.com. A full comprehensive trademark search is included in all of our packages. We've done thousands and thousands and thousands of searches. We know how to do it right. We know what to search for. We know how to search for it. We know how to interpret the results. So if you've got a brand that you want to protect, go to trademarkfactory.com, book that call, and we'll take it from there. If you've got more questions for me, make sure you post a comment below, ask your question. I'll do my best to answer it, and subscribe to get notified whenever the next video is up. Until then, I will see you in the next video.